will render his welcome address. Lema.
I would like to welcome all the parents, teachers, visitors, community members who joined us this morning to participate in this milestone event. Honored guests are highly respected District Supervisor Dr. Charito Fe Pilumagod, our young and active school principal Mr. Rini C. Grisula, sir, respected school administrators, barangay officials, headed by our very supportive barangay chairman, Honorable Dario Piliebe, PTA officials, headed by our young and active president, Mr. Jomar O. Pagpagon, their parents, respected teachers, fellow members of the graduating class, visitors, friends, good morning and mabuhay. To the class of 2024, congratulations! We have finally achieved our long-cherished dream for having successfully completed our elementary education. All of our hard work and struggles throughout the year at last has come to an end. This is undoubtedly the result of our incessant toil, patience, determination, coupled with our undying sacrifices of our loving parents, and the untiring efforts, encouragement, and guidance of our beloved teachers. Our theme for today's graduation, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Bright lines the youth's powerful role in paving the way towards a resilient future that exemplifies the new Philippines. Millennials absolutely have a fundamental contribution to the attainment of the hopes and ideals of bagong Pilipinas. Therefore, our country requires proficient, highly skilled, and innovative graduates who would become responsible citizens. Likewise, we are in need of a creative, altruistic, patriotic, and understanding nation builders that embrace diversity. As we leave the portals of our dear alma mater, we will be facing again new challenges. Let us all learn to weigh things and balance our lives. Any indifferences, difficulties we encountered are like winds that passes by. They came and they go, yet they give meaning to our lives. May God bless us all. Thank you. I welcome you all to this graduation ceremony.